Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have something truly execute to show you. It's a pure Georgette saree adorned with beautiful golden zari all over. This saree is simply a work of art with its intricate pan booty border that add a touch of elegance. The rich golden zari complements the soft Georgette fabric perfectly, creating stunning contrast that is sure to turn head. And now let's take a closer look at this magnificent saree. As we unbox it, you can see the attention to detail that has gone into its creation. Every thread, so where every stitch is a testament to the craftsmanship that has gone into making this saree a true masterpiece. The golden saree shimmer and catches the light and hence the beauty of the saree even more. With its timeless design and execute craftsmanship, this is Georgette saree is perfectly for any occasions, whether you are attending a wedding, festive celebration, or even formal event. This saree will make you look and feel absolutely stunning. The pan booty border add a touch of traditional charm, while the pure Georgette fabric draped elegantly, enhancing your natural beauty. Pair this saree with some statement jewelry and stylish blouse and you are ready to make lasting impression. The versatility of this saree allow you to experiment with different draping style and stylish options, and ensuring that you can create a unique look every time you wear it. We hope you enjoyed this video and styling of the Exquisite Georgette saree. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.